Hi you all, John Hands Connect here. I'm here to show you my ammo can propane fire kit. There's a few options I just want to show you about it. And first I'll tell you how it started. I had one of these Sunbeam grills, and the burner, I took the burner out of it, I took the grill top out of it, and I took the folding legs off of it. And now, obviously the folding legs are now here, and this is for the carry position. And when you undo them all the way, they overlap each other again, and it's fairly stable for a grill on a tabletop. You can see that's the burner from inside the old Sunbeam stove, and I just used my plasma cutter and quickly cut out some little flame shapes. And I didn't like the way the flame was looking burning, so I drilled some holes in the bottom for more airflow. Inside, the burner's in the bottom, and then there's a little screen that I had that I just found laying around, and then I cut the grill top down to lay down on top of that screen, and then I put these lava rocks on top. And I guess you could use the original Sunbeam propane inlet and pop it in here, but for higher flame, and that would be fine for just ambience at night, but for higher force I had this high pressure regulator and hose, and I can hook it up to I just shove that in there and adjust it for a good flame. And I guess you could cook on top of that if you've adjusted it right. These lids are removable. Mine's a little sticky, but there you go. For those of you that camp in areas that don't allow a wood fire, there's a little propane ammo box fireplace. I'll go ahead and fire this up. Hold on a second. So there it is. I think you can see the flame inside. Hopefully you can. And it's capable of going to a much higher flame. It's pretty warm. Just a fun little project. It literally took me a half an hour to put together once I had it in my head. And the screen that I found, it's actually a little tiny stainless steel screen, and it's kind of nice that the screen itself starts to glow because I'm getting it hot enough, so that adds to the effect. Anyway, there you go. It's a cute little propane fire pit, and like I said, this is really janky right here. I do not have it right, and if you don't have the air mixture right, you get black smoke. But there we go. It's a chilly November day in South Carolina.